How to blur face or text in any video. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that we need to install CapCut app. So I already installed it. You guys can download it from Play Store or App Store. So click on CapCut. Here click on new video. Now import the video. After that click on add. Now here we will wait for some seconds. Here you guys can see the video. So how I can blur the face in video. So for blurring that face I will click on effects. Once I click on effects, here you guys will see body effects, video effects. So simply click on body effects. Now here you guys will search for blur. Once you search for blur, we will wait for some seconds. Here you guys can see blur, motion blur, and a lot of things. But here you guys can see partial blur. So you guys can use partial blur. In this blur you guys will simply, the eyes will be blur, but for whole face blur we will simply use heart blur or circular blur. So let's click on circular blur. So once I click on circular blur I will wait for some seconds. Here we go, the face in video was blur. So that's how you guys can blur any face in any video. Now the question is how we can blur text in videos. So for that we will simply, here in downside scroll, now you guys can see stickers. So simply click on stickers. Now search for blur. So I will simply search for blur. Here you guys can see a lot of blur. So simply select the one that fits on your video. So I will simply select one. Now here I will simply select the area where I want to add blur. And that's it. Our video text will be blurred. Thanks for watching.